Hi, so this is my um my concept map. So I started with an atom. Okay, I started with an atom, and from atom I found that a proton, a neutron, electron, and valence electrons, elements, atomic weight, atomic number, cation, anion, nucleus of atom, isotope, and radioisotope were all from that. They're all from the basis of an atom. And from a proton, I found a hydronium ion, which is H3O plus, and that is within a proton. And from my elements, I, of course, put the elements down. So I put, with the electron, with the electron, okay, I put isomer, polar covalent bond, nonpolar covalent bond, ionic bond, double triple bond, electronegativity, electron donor receptors, electron cell adhesion, cohesion, and oxidation reduction reaction, because all of these have to do with an electron. Whether it's splitting or doing a bond, you have to use the electron for any of these. And next, I went to the element, which again is I'll put in the atom category. From element, I sorry. Okay. From element, I of course put all the elements. So I put carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, sodium, potassium, chloride, calcium, and phosphorus. And I'm sorry, I forgot some up here. Okay, so for molecular weight, I put mole, Avogadro's number, molarity. And from molarity, I put liters to milliliters because that is molarity. When you're converting, you use that. Anyway, so continue on with the elements. From there, from the oxygen element, I went to from the oxygen element first. There. So from the oxygen element, I put amine, alcohol, ketone, hydroxyl, carbonyl, carboxylic acid, amino, carboxyl, and aldehyde, because all these things do have an oxygen in their structure. And from amino, I went to amino acid and protein, because protein does have an amino group in there, and so does amino acid. And from protein, I just went to glycoprotein, which of course has is from the protein. Anyways, and converted to glucose. But anyway, so then I went to carbon. Of course, I put organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry, which both use carbons, although inorganic chemistry has more usage, or organic chemistry has more uses of a carbon, but I still decided to put those two in the carbon group. Moving on to hydrogen. From hydrogen, I put hydrogen ions, hydrogen bonding, dissociation of water, acids, bases, sugars. And because the reason why I put acids and bases is because either way, like with the acid base, you're adding or adding a hydrogen or subtracting a hydrogen group to me. So I put acids and bases there. And the reason why I put sugar is because sugar does have a hydrogen group. And from sugar, I put polysaccharides and carbohydrates because they both use the sugar. And from acid, I just put pH. Moving on to phosphorus, which is again, I put this all in the elements. Phosphorus, I put nucleotides, phospholipids, lipids, and that's it. So I put nucleotides because it does have a base plus a phosphate group. Phospholipids because it's a phosphate and a lipid. Um, and I put lipids because it does use a phosphorus group in it. And for lipids, I put unsaturated fats, glycolipids, and saturated fat because well, to me, it like seemed obvious to go there. Um, anyways, I think that's it. I think I said everything. I'm just gonna put a quick scan over my whole project. But okay, so that's it. Thank you.